see how the bees are doing. Right into the funnel again. I'm gonna have to take this whole funnel right off. Try it again. Well, there you go, folks. So much for a effective trap out cone. The bees just keep on going right through the entrance. So this trap out is a pain in the ass. It's not being too successful. I'm probably gonna have to rip it all down and start it over again. So I'm just here spending some time trying to clean out these dirty, nasty frames. I've been procrastinating, but I need these deep frames to raise these crazy bees. Check out. So yeah, we got a little bit of bundle here. But you'll see my setup. We're going with a Bayou Classic. This is affordable, nice stainless steel pot. It's meant for cooking. I'm just boiling water and soaking the frames in there. It's got a nice heavy duty spigot. We got propane accessories. And look at all the pile of frames. So I got these sitting outside of my garage here. I gotta stack all that woodenware up and clean it out. Most of it's deeps, a lot of mediums. Some folks call it wormwood. So who all out there is complaining about trying to keep up with their woodenware? Yeah, this is my bee garage. My table's covered. I got all kinds of cardboard, shelving units. But I'm just working here on, we'll be painting up them boxes, cleaning out these frames, and trying to keep up on top of these bees. So what I'll be doing here, I'm just waiting for this water to get up to temperature. I like to get it around 160, 170 if I can, and then we're just going to dunk the frames. So I try to do my best to scrape the frames out. I got a little station right here, just a piece of cardboard, makes it easy to pick up and dump out. I got a nice wire brush, and then just a steak knife. This way you can get into the groove bottom, the groove top, kind of scrape out all the wax moth. Some folks call that wormwood when the wax worms kind of bore into the sides there. I don't care. This is a valuable resource to me. A frame, you know, you figure $1 a frame, you buy them by the 10, that's 10 bucks, you know, for 10 frames. Do that 100 times. Yeah, that's a lot of money. So instead of throwing it all out, I hear that all the time on the internet, oh, it's not worth it, just dump it, burn it, throw it out, buy new equipment. Give me your credit card and I'll do that. But here's my solution. Usually I would do this over a fire pit and a bigger boil barrel. Works the same process. Basically, get a flame. Be careful if you're using propane like I am. I'm in my garage. I got lots of airflow through here. So just take precaution. Don't be a dumbass. This is a pot with water. Like I said, I'm going to get it up to boil. Inside there, I added about 2 cups of Epsom salts, maybe 2 cups or 3 cups of borax powder. Mixed it right in there, and it's just going to help sanitize or clean the frames. And again, I got more deep. These are all deep frames here, piles of 12. So enough rambling. You'll see I got a lot of work to do. I'm trying to pull boxes. These will all get recoated. I promise you this will come into shape. Right now it looks like an explosion in here, but it's going to come together. You'll see the shelving system I got. Frame hangers in the back. I got a folding table. This plywood up here will go up on a rack on the ceiling, so it'll all shape up. So stay tuned, and we'll go from there. Okay folks, so this here I have a little scrub tub, call it a scrub tub, just some hot water, a little bit of bleach, a little scrub brush, gets the gunk off the frames. When I got the frames all wiped off, I just stack them in a box, let them dry, and then I'll put some foundation in there. So I'm going to do this pile here, and then I'll call it a day. Hey people, I can't make this stuff up. So this is Tuesday. I'm on a walkabout. Instead of taking a hour lunch break, I just take a quick walk around the block. And you know me, I'm a beekeeper, right? So I always got my eyes peeled for bees and trees or bees and water meters. Well, lo and behold, I see a vacant lot. I see a meter. It's in the shade, and check it out. If there's one thing beekeeping has taught me, it's how to be observant. And I love the hobby to death. Look at this. So as you see, obviously I'm not in my beekeeping gear. I didn't get real close to them. I'm not that stupid, but I can already tell because I was up maybe less than 3 or 4 feet. They should be all right. So, oh boy, free bees, right? Just a quick note to say thanks again, you all, for checking out my videos. If you haven't figured out by now, I try not to do a how-to type of a style. A lot of what I do is more vloggy. I want to see what you guys think of my day-to-day activities. I'm trying to live the life of a beekeeper, right? But this is just my passion. Again, being a single guy without any too much commitments, I got all kinds of time to put towards my hobbies. So anywho, hope you all have fun. Enjoy the day. Get out there and enjoy the weather. And I'll talk to you next time. Stay tuned.